Yeah, welcome back. We dive straight into our international page where we take on South African rapper AKA, who just lost his fiancée to death. Everyone has been on social media asking what actually happened to this lady. Was it that they had a relationship issue? Was it that they had something in their relationship that pushed this lady to get into an act like this? Or maybe she was going through a tough time, a time of depression that no one could understand, but till now no one can really understand or give a vivid reason why this beautiful girl actually took her own life. It was reported that Anel Nelly Tembe was confirmed dead at a 5-star Paper Club hotel in central Cape Town, where apparently she jumped off the 10th floor of the hotel. And her fiancé, AKA, was called to confirm the body of his fiancée, whom he cries out loud until now. He's still in shock and asking himself what actually happened, that they could not discuss about the problem. She didn't mention anything. On a very fateful and nice day, she decided to take her own life and use suicide as the only means to jump off the 10th floor from a hotel building and immediately dies on the spot. We condole with rapper AKA, and we say that indeed sometimes God gives and God takes, and sometimes, you know, we are humans and we are forced and sometimes faced with things of the flesh that we really cannot control. We move to Sarkodie, as he has been termed one of the most outstanding rappers in Africa, as Sarkodie has received 103 awards from 184 nominations in his career, making him the most awarded Africa rapper. He is the wealthiest rapper in Africa as at now, as Sarkodie now is worth the net of $15 million. That is 8.3 billion in FCFA. That is, if you have to calculate in FCFA, $15 million is equivalent to 8.3 billion in FCFA. That is in our currency in Cameroon. That is to say that Sarkodie indeed has been doing well for himself, and he has proven beyond doubt that showbiz indeed, music indeed gives a lot of money, and we have not taken time to actually know if he is actually getting all this money just from showbiz, or maybe he has other businesses as an entrepreneur or other things that actually give him such a profit and such money. But as at now, it has it that music and his awards have taken him to the level at which his bank account is. We say congratulations to Sarkodie, and we say you keep moving to another level. American rapper DMX has died at the age of 50, and after suffering from a heart attack. We say rest in peace, legend. And when we talk about rap, we talk about this guy. He knows a lot about music. When it comes to showbiz, he knows what exactly to do, when to do it, how to do it, and where to do it. But we have other rumors that he actually died as a result of overdose from drugs and all the like. Like we know, most of these Western artists, they get indulged into drugs and all whatnot. But he dies at the age of 50, which is even better because others died earlier than that. We've had young people like the cousin of Beyonce who died not just long ago, just at the age of 36. And DMX dies at the age of 50. We condole with the family. We say that God gives and God takes, and we just keep advising that drugs is actually not the best. That is, if actually he died from drugs or from a heart attack, like rumor has it. American rapper and songwriter entrepreneur Nas has a net worth of $80 million as of 2021. You know, it's not been long since we got into 2021. It's just been 4 months into 2021, and Nas is already taking the place of $80 million just in 4 months. We say, wow, this is an outstanding net worth for an artist to actually have in his account in just 4 months into a new year. And we say that he's considered one of the greatest rappers of all time, and Nas is also one of the best-selling artists with a total of 7 platinum albums. Nas has been one of the most artists who has proven beyond doubt that he can actually stand the test of time and actually stay within the range of music business, as seen with his platinum albums of 7. And now his bank account is ticking and is ticking and is ticking with $80 million just 4 months into a new year. We wish you much more luck, and we wish you much more dollars into your account, and we say that you keep giving us good music for us to keep being entertained. We'll be right back to take on our star profile page. Stay with us.